Hey everybody! I'm here today with a video on using a drill-powered dryer vent cleaner. Now this is great for cleaning a dryer vent, just like I just did prior to me making this video. I'm going to show you exactly how these drill-powered dryer vent cleaners work, how easy they are to use, and how effective they are at removing that lint buildup from inside of your dryer vent. So essentially, for the most part, I'll show you the one that I got. The one that I got is this one right here, but they're all going to be very, very similar. This is the one that I got just for reference. I went to my local hardware store and I got this one right here, just so you know which one I'm talking about, but they're all going to be very, very, very similar. They're going to come with these flexible rods, okay? These rods are fairly flexible, okay? In this one it came with 4. Yours might come with fewer or more. In addition, they're going to come with a brush like this. This brush fits perfectly inside of the dryer vent, which I'll show you in a moment. Now, on each of these rods, you have a threaded section right here, and then you have another threaded section right here. This one is threaded on the outside, this side is threaded on the inside. You want to start off by taking your brush, your dryer vent brush, and tightening it onto one of the flexible rods. Now you got to make sure that you tighten it really tightly. I'll tell you why, okay? Really make sure it's tightened on. If this comes off inside of the dryer vent, it's going to be difficult to get, okay? Because you might be 12 feet deep inside of that dryer vent with this thing, and it's going to be very difficult to retrieve this. Now, rest assured, as long as it's nice and tight, and you keep your drill in the forward gear, you'll be okay. If you put your drill in reverse, you might encounter some problems, but there's no reason to put your drill in reverse. So I'll show you. You're going to take the other end right here, which is the end that has the threads on the inside, and those threads are only to connect to additional rods, which I'll show you in a moment, okay? And you're going to place that end inside of your drill, tighten it on, nice and tightly. Remember, you don't want to lose this. Now look at how flexible this thing is right here, okay? Now you'll notice when I turn the drill in the forward gear, it spins that brush. That's what cleans the dryer vent. So check this out. I actually have the old dryer vent because I'm replacing it with a newer one. This one had a little tear in it, so I'm replacing it. But what I did, and I did this all, the dryer vent goes all throughout that ceiling box over there. Okay, so I did this from one end to the other. I used all of the pieces. I went all the way almost to the outside. Okay, it's a pretty long span. I'd say from start, including the curves, to the outside, we're looking at probably close to like 10 feet, maybe 12 feet. Okay, so you're going to take this, you're going to insert it into the dryer vent, and you're not just going to push it in. You're going to turn your drill as you insert it. So start turning the drill as you insert it. Okay? Now you might want to have a vacuum handy because it's going to get dusty. So any moment that brush is moving forward or backward, like in or out, you want to make sure that you're turning your drill. Okay? Just like that. Okay? Just like that. Now I'm going to slow it down because I don't want it to get too dusty. Okay? Let's get it out of there. All right. So that's how you use it with one rod. Okay? Now we're going to take this off of the drill right over here. Okay? Put the drill to the side. If you want to use additional rods, check this out, okay? All that you got to do is take one of the rods with the threaded end on the outside, connect it with the other rod with the threaded end on the inside. Tighten it nice and tightly. Remember, when you think that it's tight, tighten it a bit more. You don't want this to come apart. Now I don't know how long each of these lengths is, but I have 2 of the lengths together. I can go much further. So if I take my drill, like this, I put this piece on here, okay? Just like that, nice and tightly. Now, I can go even further. And I mean, I guess I could do it here. Let's just see. I don't want to create too much dust. But I would take this, I would insert it like that, okay? And I would basically start drilling. I'm going to get my thumb over here. There we go. I would start drilling in a forward gear. Look at that. Goes right through. Look at that. Just like that. Check that out. Okay, I'm going to slow it down. Like I said, I don't want to create too much dust. I'm in a very closed off environment right here. And this is an old pipe that I'm throwing away because it's dusty and it's torn. Okay, so I'm going to take it out like that. Now, the benefit of doing this is that, number one, it eliminates the sort of elbow grease. Because I've used the manual one, which works really well, but this just slides in and out of the dryer vent easily. And I will tell you, like I said, I connected all 4 lengths, okay? And I was worried. I was like, you know what? This seems like it's pretty long. It literally did the trick. So literally, I had connected all 4 lengths like this, okay? Put this side in the drill. I don't know how long this is, but like I said, it's probably about close to 10 feet, I would say. I inserted it into that hole over there, and I went all the way as far as I could over there. It was quite the distance. And once I finished that, that was the final piece of this puzzle, and I was actually able to unclog this dryer vent. There was an unbelievable amount of lint in it, which I'm going to show in a separate video. But using a drill-powered dryer vent cleaner is easy. Okay? You make the connection, like I said, you choose how many lengths you need, put it in the drill, make sure all the connections are tight, keep that drill in a forward gear, because that'll keep those connections together, okay? And just go in and out, loosen it up, clean up the lint. That's it. Work in a well-ventilated area, because even with just that tiny amount of lint that I disturbed right there in this smaller room, you know, I can already sense like it's dry in here for the most part. I can even see it on my glasses. But that's basically it. In this video, I just wanted to show you the process for cleaning a dryer vent with a drill-powered dryer vent cleaner. Easy to use, works really well. That's all there is to it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.